Hi, in this video, we will quickly overview Darineey LED color light bulb for Inground Swimming Pool 12-volt 40-watt. Darineey 12-volt 40-watt LED color pool light can provide great brightness to your pool. It is an equivalent to an incandescent pool light, but it also saves your electricity bill by more than 80%. It has 11 static and 2 vivid color show modes. Unscrew the old lamp to replace the LED pool light bulb, as it is compatible with Pentair Amerlite 784 and Hayward Astrolite SP058 Series. Features: 12-volt 40-watt color-changing pool light, super bright and energy-saving, remote and switch control, easy to replacement the old one. Read the instructions before installation and use. Thank you. I hope that information helps. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more relevant tips about your pool and spa. Bye.